Looking at the most successful businesses around the world, I think there are some patterns to that you can use. First, combine existing ideas. It does not only have to be a combination, it can also be a reduction of a necessary part of the product, like the European car manufacturer Dacia, who decided to build a car that is reduced to only the most necessary part to get from A to B, and is therefore very cost efficient. But most new products of our markets are actually a combination of previous existing ideas. Have you seen those kids rolling around the streets in their shoes with wheels in them? What else could you add wheels to that doesn't have wheels yet? Trading. This is probably the oldest business model out there. You buy low and sell high. It works with all kinds of products, from stocks to cars or vegetables. Over the long run, it usually requires you to have some kind of advantages over other sellers, as otherwise you will soon have lots of competitors and prices will begin to decline. If you're not into tech, you can always look out for a niche food business. Food is something every single person on this planet needs, and needs it at least 4 times a day. For example, assuming a world population of a little over 7 billion, almost 30 billion times a day you need to satisfy people's appetite. Add to it, more and more people these days are eating out. Identify a right place and the right kind of food, and you might become the CEO of the next famous food chain. Also, the Google Trends and Twitter. This is another way of identifying people's pain points. This may not always give you the best results, but definitely a clever hack you can try out. So go to Twitter and search for the word hate. You will find tons of tweets of people hating something or the other. See if you can do something to turn that hate into love. Coming up with an app idea or startup idea is not at all easy. To some people it can come easily, to others it may take ages, and to others it won't ever come. However, there are certain tasks that you can do to help you facilitate the process. But what all successful business models have in common is people buy what the company offers. To really find a business model for your life, for your passion and professional skills, will be more important than the business model you choose. And yes, 99% of ideas are similar to existing solutions. However, they are only similar, not the same. Ideas tackle needs. 100 ideas can tackle the same needs. They will differ only on one or a few dimensions out of many. And that's what makes all the difference in the world. You feel so limited because you're looking for genius ideas. There are no such things, or maybe one in a decade. Successful ideas are just better than existing solutions. That's it. Facebook was better than Friendster. Airbnb was better than classic flat renting websites. The iPhone was simpler to use than any other smartphone. Change your mindset. Tell yourself that a successful idea can be found literally everywhere. What you need to look for is a need many people feel. For example, many people would like to sleep less without being so tired. Many people would like to save on their electricity bill. Many people would like to see more relevant advertising. Again, look for a need and you'll find ideas to address it better. You'll see that the more you share ideas and read more, the more you'll observe the world we live in and see the endless possibility to make it better.